Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim free rewards on Grow a Garden's Fairy World. So as you can see here, there are a bunch of pink orbs. You're just going to have to kind of jump on the mushrooms. Oh. And you are going to go on these platforms. There's a bunch of these pink orbs everywhere. So you're just going to go where the obby takes you. And just claim these pink orbs and you get a bunch of cool free rewards like the seed pack and some fairy points as well and some mutation sprays. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, there's a bunch of pink orbs. If you go further up, you'll be able to see more. You can go left and right. It is a little bit annoying when you fall though, because you have to kind of start from the beginning to climb up. So yeah, that's how you can get free rewards by doing this obby. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.